Alright, focus, man, focus. Shit, I wouldn't focus. How come you wouldn't focus? Alright.
Hello.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another YouTube video vlog here at downtown Seattle. We are here at University Station. And Ode just reload her Orca cart because we don't have enough. Yeah, it's done already. So we are heading to downtown just to stroll around, and in this weather it's crazy, right? Okay, see you around. Bye.
Got bored in the south, so we're here in the, what do you call the central? It's cold though, but we're digging it. And then we're gonna go to Smith Tower right after this. But we need to have food first because I'm hungry already. We are angry. We are at another restaurant. We are at in downtown Seattle, in the heart of downtown Seattle, right by Four Seasons. Another vlog of you know, that's how we roll. Again, hungry or angry or hungry. Oh.
As long as there's food, Ode is happy. OMG.
Hello.
Not bad.
Just got done eating.
At what?
Food was great. We were there before the store opened, before the restaurant opened. People were already in line. The food was fast. They serve it fast. What else? Paid about, no, it was, to be honest, the size of the sushi is really, it's a good size for $8. And I think because it's happy hour. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Like the price on the menu says it was like $20 and we only paid $8. I don't know.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Buang ka. Are you okay?
Walking in the street of downtown Seattle.
It's freezing cold here.
We are heading to the Smith Tower.
Smith Tower.
How many times do I have to say it? Smith Tower. Merry Christmas, look. The Christmas tree behind, where is it? Look, the Christmas tree behind me. Focus Christmas tree.
That's it.
There! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Just wanna share the Christmas tree. If these walls could talk, when Smith Tower's first tenants moved in, World War I was beginning. The Panama Canal opened and Charlie Chaplin made his film debut. The building provided a vantage point for rapid change in Seattle, and not just because of the views. It was a microcosm of Seattle's economy. Railroads, fisheries, mining companies, and shipping firms all based major offices in the building. Through its halls, people came to work, socialize, organize, marry. Some were highly visible, Many were not, but everyone left their mark.
Built on 1914, and the Smith Tower had 2,314 windows and 1,432 doors.
We're gonna show you guys around how it looks like over here. Back in the old days, like about 1920s or 1914, this used to be the tallest building in Singapore. So this building has a lot of history and legendary people that have built this place and make this place remarkable. Anyway, I'll show you this seat that I was on earlier. That used to be the wishing chair. Back in the day, if single women will sit on that chair, they will wed within that year. So yeah, me, it doesn't work for me. I already know.
The tower indeed has 42 stories, but not floors. So the 35th floor is the observatory, the 36th is the attic, the 37th and 38th is the penthouse, and the 39th story is a catwalk level, the 40th story is a spiral staircase level, the 41st story is the ladder level, and the 42nd story is the globe.
Can we go upstairs?
No, although it says 42 stories,
But only 35 is
35 lang, yeah, because the rest are all floors.
Let's go outside.
It's freezing cold because we are in the windward part of the building. But as you can see, right next to us is the stadium where they play football. Seahawks, and the other one is for the baseball thing. So that's it for now because I'm low bat.
Camera is low bat.
Flickering.
So we'll see you guys later and we'll use the other camera. But for now, this is the Smith Tower. So if you happen to be in Seattle and stop by over here, you can go to, after you go to Columbia Tower, stop by at this building, Smith Tower. It's not as tall anymore because there's a bunch of building already around Seattle that's like that are high than this building, higher than this building, but definitely a place to.
So unfortunately our camera is dead and we just finished the Smith Tower observatory deck thingy and we're heading anywhere. Anyway, see you
We're going
around
to the library.
Library.
Oh. Matod pa ni Ian, reindeer.
That's the library. I don't know where's the entrance. But I don't know where's the entrance though.
Right there.
Sorry for the shaky footage. We're inside in the Seattle Library. It's so dark because it's cloudy outside.
my first time in this Seattle library in downtown Seattle. It's awesome. Like, this is heaven for me.
We are home now. I'm sorry that we weren't able to vlog as much in downtown Seattle. Our camera died on us and we weren't able to bring the backup camera. And after we went to the where was that again? Smith Tower. We walked all the way to the Seattle Library and we were just there for probably 30 minutes. To the park and ride, we went all the way straight to the mall to
shopping.
Don't believe him.
What do you mean don't believe him? Come on. Proof here. Hello.
No. Okay.
Hello.
Let me explain.
Proof.
No, it's on sale. So my coworker slash friend works at Victoria's Secret, and she told me, "Oh, we're having a big sale, you know, pre-Black Friday stuff." So I went there, and the gift sets are buy one take one. It's buy one get one for free. So that's why I went there. Anyway, we're home now and we would like to end the vlog here. And as always, thank you guys for watching, for supporting us, and for watching our vlogs. And see you guys
on our next vlog.
Bye!